Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're a MacBook Pro owner in Sydney, NSW, then you know how crucial it is to have a properly functioning laptop. In this video, we're going to talk about the importance of MacBook Pro Repair in Sydney and why it's essential to seek professional help when you're facing issues with your laptop. Section 1. Reliable and efficient repairs. When it comes to MacBook Pro repairs, it's essential to choose a professional repair service that can provide reliable and efficient repairs. While there may be many DIY repair options available online, they can often lead to more significant problems, resulting in more costly repairs. A professional repair service in Sydney can ensure that your MacBook Pro is repaired correctly, ensuring that you can continue using your laptop for years to come. Section 2. Quick turnaround time. Another reason why MacBook Pro repairs in Sydney are crucial is the quick turnaround time. A reputable repair service can diagnose and repair most issues within a matter of hours or a few days, depending on the severity of the problem. This means you won't have to wait long to get your MacBook Pro back up and running, allowing you to continue working, studying, or enjoying your entertainment. Section 3. Protection of data and hardware. MacBook Pro repairs in Sydney are also essential for protecting your data and hardware. If you try to repair your MacBook Pro on your own, you may accidentally damage the hardware or lose your important data. Professional repair services have the necessary expertise to repair your MacBook Pro without damaging any of the hardware or losing any of your data. They can also help you recover lost data in case of a serious issue with your MacBook Pro. Section 4. Cost-effective solution. Lastly, MacBook Pro repairs in Sydney are a cost-effective solution. While buying a new MacBook Pro may seem like an easier option, it can be very costly. Repairing your MacBook Pro, on the other hand, can be a much more affordable solution, especially if the issue is minor. A reputable repair service in Sydney can provide an accurate quote for the repair work, allowing you to make an informed decision. So there you have it, the importance of MacBook Pro repairs in Sydney, NSW. Whether it's a minor issue or a major one, seeking professional help is always the best option to ensure your MacBook Pro is repaired correctly, protecting your data and hardware. A quick turnaround time, reliable and efficient repairs, and cost effectiveness are some of the many reasons why you should seek professional MacBook Pro repairs in Sydney. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video informative.